Still driving in the dark with dim headlights? Today, we're revealing the best LED headlight bulbs that can instantly upgrade your visibility, safety, and night driving confidence. Check the product links in the description below to see current prices and availability. Let's dive in. Upgrading your vehicle's fog lighting can dramatically improve nighttime confidence and road awareness. Franxi 9005/HB3 bulbs combo fog lights are designed to deliver a clean, powerful beam while keeping installation simple for everyday drivers. Built with advanced CSP LED chips, each bulb outputs an impressive 16,000 lumens and 60 watt of power, producing a crisp 6000K cool white light that enhances visibility without appearing overly blue. The one-to-one halogen-sized design allows true plug-and-play installation, eliminating the need for external drivers or complex wiring. Constructed from aviation-grade aluminum, these bulbs feature a high-speed 12,000 RPM cooling fan that efficiently dissipates heat and helps extend the operating life to up to 50,000 hours. This robust thermal management ensures consistent brightness even during long drives or extended fog light use. Compatibility is another strong point, with support for approximately 99% of vehicle systems. While a small number of sensitive vehicles may require an additional CAN bus decoder, most users report error-free operation. Customers consistently praise the brightness improvement over halogen bulbs, noting clearer road edges and better distance visibility. Many also appreciate the neutral white color tone, which improves clarity without causing glare. Overall, these bulbs are viewed as a reliable, budget-friendly fog light upgrade with solid performance and easy installation. Seeing the road clearly at night is essential for both safety and driving comfort. Termitor H11 9005 LED bulbs combo delivers an extreme brightness upgrade, producing up to 120,000 lumens per set through advanced Z10 chip technology. The 6500K cool white output provides excellent contrast and road definition, making lane markings, signs, and obstacles easier to detect in low light conditions. Engineered with a compact one-to-one halogen-style design, these bulbs install quickly without external driver boxes or additional wiring. Premium aviation-grade aluminum construction is paired with a thermostatic copper plate and a powerful 22,000 RPM cooling fan, ensuring efficient heat dissipation and long-term stability. This advanced cooling system contributes to a rated lifespan of up to 50,000 hours, making them suitable for frequent night driving. The beam pattern is carefully designed to replicate factory halogen placement, resulting in a focused, evenly distributed light with minimal glare for oncoming traffic. Built-in CAN bus integration helps reduce flickering and dashboard error messages in modern vehicles. Customer feedback highlights dramatic visibility improvements and solid performance in vehicles like compact SUVs and crossovers. While some users mention fitment issues in specific models, most agree these bulbs offer exceptional brightness, solid build quality, and excellent value for drivers seeking maximum illumination. Improved headlight performance can make a noticeable difference during night and highway driving. Fahren 9005 bulbs combo offers an impressive brightness increase, delivering up to 140,000 lumens with a 6500K white output that enhances clarity in fog, rain, and snow. The powerful illumination allows drivers to identify road signs, hazards, and lane markings earlier, reducing eye strain and increasing reaction time. Designed with a compact, all-in-one structure, these bulbs install easily without external drivers or complex wiring. The housing is built from aviation-grade aluminum alloy and paired with an 18,000 RPM silent cooling fan to maintain optimal operating temperatures. This efficient heat management system supports a long service life of up to 60,000 hours, ensuring reliable performance over time. Precision chip placement helps replicate the original halogen beam pattern, minimizing dark spots while maintaining a focused cutoff. With 99% OEM compatibility, these bulbs fit a wide range of vehicles without requiring additional adapters or decoders. Customer reviews frequently mention exceptional brightness and flawless operation in projector-style headlights. Clear visibility and balanced lighting are crucial for confident nighttime driving. Sealight 9005 H11 LED bulbs combo delivers up to 96,000 lumens using 32 high-output CSP chips, producing a bright 6500K white beam that significantly outperforms standard halogen bulbs. The light output improves distance visibility while maintaining a clean cutoff to reduce glare for oncoming traffic. Built with a true one-to-one halogen-sized design, these bulbs install quickly without tools or modifications. The housing is built from aviation-grade aluminum, an oversized copper base, and dual liquid-cooled tubes for superior heat dissipation. This advanced cooling system contributes to an impressive lifespan of up to 70,000 hours and reliable performance in harsh weather conditions. An enhanced CAN bus system improves compatibility with modern vehicles, minimizing dashboard errors or flickering. The bulbs are also DOT approved, meeting FMVSS standards for road use. Customers consistently praise the brightness, beam accuracy, and ease of installation. Many highlight the balanced white color that improves clarity without blinding other drivers. While some users report vehicle-specific compatibility issues, overall feedback points to strong build quality, reliable performance, and excellent value for drivers upgrading both headlights and fog lights. Night driving becomes significantly safer when road visibility is consistent and well-focused. Auxito 9005 LED headlight bulbs combo offers up to 1,000% brighter output than standard halogen bulbs, producing a sharp 6500K white beam that eliminates dark spots and improves overall road coverage. The bulbs feature a true one-to-one halogen-sized design, allowing seamless plug-and-play installation without external drivers or additional wiring. Built with aviation-grade aluminum housing and a high-speed cooling fan, these bulbs maintain stable performance and support a rated lifespan of up to 60,000 hours. Integrated CAN bus and anti-flicker technology reduce the likelihood of dashboard warnings or compatibility issues in newer vehicles. Customer feedback frequently highlights the bright, crisp light output and easy installation process. Many appreciate how the white color matches other LED components, enhancing the vehicle's overall appearance. While a few report fitment issues in specific models, most agree these bulbs deliver exceptional visibility, solid build quality, and reliable performance at a competitive price. Fog lights play a critical role in maintaining visibility during poor weather conditions. Marsauto M1S 9005 LED light bulbs combo delivers up to 60,000 lumens with an 800% brightness increase over factory bulbs, using advanced 7035 LED chips for wider and farther light distribution. The 6000K white output enhances contrast and helps drivers better identify lane markings and obstacles. Designed with a one-to-one halogen-style structure, these bulbs install in minutes with a simple twist-in process and no modifications. The full aluminum body, dual copper heat pipes, and IP68 waterproof rating ensure durability and consistent performance in rain, fog, and dust. An intelligent built-in CAN bus system minimizes flickering, error messages, and radio interference, with compatibility across most vehicle models. A unique 360-degree adjustable mounting ring allows users to fine-tune the beam angle for optimal alignment and reduced glare. Customer reviews often mention the noticeable brightness improvement and ease of installation. While some users report fitment issues in specific models, most consider these bulbs a strong value upgrade over factory fog lights. Overall, they are considered a powerful and dependable option for drivers prioritizing visibility. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description below, drive safer at night, and subscribe for more honest car accessory reviews.